Hi, I am Ram Lama, and in this video, I'll be helping you to start Zoom class in your course in Moodle. First of all, you have to log into your account and go search for your subject. And for this video, I'll be using Nepal Church History. You may have in recent access course or in the course overview. So anywhere you can just go, and if you find your course, just click on that. And please make sure that you open your Zoom account. Okay, like this. I have already opened my Zoom account, and again in Zoom application also you have to log in. Okay, you should keep like this. Okay, login. This you have to do that one. And from IT department, KIT will create your all the course or Zoom. Okay, Zoom meeting. And here you can see I have already created one Zoom orientation. Like click here to join Zoom orientation. So for you, what you have to do is you sometimes will be closed on each day. You'll have Zoom section. Okay, we will be adding there, and you have to just click here, and here you'll get the option. Click on that, and now you can see here start meeting. Okay, so what you have to do is just click here start meeting, and the password is Nepal. Okay, and I will just edit setting, and I'll remove the password. Okay, I'll remove the password. Password has been removed, and save and display now. Okay, so password, no password protected. Okay, so sometime what happen is student won't be able to join, so you can just share this link also. But uh, I guess KIT student will be knowing everything just how to join. So for you, what you have to do is come here, log in, and say start meeting. Just click on start meeting. If you're logging with your email ID, then it will say open Zoom meeting. Okay, so just click here, click, and start. It is starting now. Okay, so this is how you can just start the meeting. I'll just end meeting for all. Okay, it is very much easy, so I request you to follow the instruction. Thank you very much for watching the video.